Ante todo, muy buenas tardes, profesora Magneis Luis Carrasco Dicen. Eh, Hello, teacher. Hello, Magneis. Magneis José Luis Carrasco Dicen. I am from Peru. I live in the district of Chiclayo. I study sustain engineering at the Technology University of Peru. Why my family? We are my family, two sisters and my young sister. Her name is Elizabeth. She is psychologist. Studying I my older younger sister it is in school. I am is 14 years old. I am 21 years old. I like to play soccer on weeks with friends. I like to to take mice with my friend on Friday. My favorite dish is ceviche. I am pouring one in a chicken show. Gracias.